Hello everyone, today we are going to change the air condition cabin filter in Toyota 4Runner 2003, it's 4th generation. Let's get started. The air conditioning filter is behind the glove box. That's almost everything what we need to know, and first and the most important step for us, open the glove box and take a Phillips head screwdriver. Yeah, don't forget about this screw, and then we are gently squeeze it. Here we go. Now we see our air filter. We need to get it out. Oh holy, that's the reason why we need to do it pretty often. Yeah, so messy, so nasty. We need to take off the filter from the frame. Yeah, Jesus. Then we are taking a new one and put in the proper space. I believe no matter what kind of quality of new filter, it will be 1,000 times better than this stuff. Now we need to put the filter with frame inside till the clip,
and after that I will be able to insert the glove box back to its place. Perfect. And the last step, last point for us, is back our screw using screwdriver.
There we go. That was a short video how to replace a cabin filter at Toyota 4Runner. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good one.